Our convection oven, first off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 33 inches. The depth, from the front handlebar towards the end of the oven, we have 28.5 inches. And the overall height of 22.5 inches tall. Coming to the front bottom of the convection oven are the two separate adjustment knobs. And coming to the inside, included will be 4 shelves. Each shelf will measure 26 inches in length by 18 inches in depth. Overall height of the convection oven, we have 14.5 inches tall. Coming to the back of the convection oven will be the 22240 voltage, and this unit will run on single phase. Coming towards the back will be the certification along with the specifications for this convection oven. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.